Imagine waking up to the lake view, unwinding in the rooftop infinity pool, and coming back home with complete privacy. And that's exactly what Rainbow Uno offers you. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Rainbow Uno, a project by Rainbow located in Maruti Layout. Well, we are here on the actual site of the project, so let me show you the surrounding. So I'm standing near to the land parcel. Just behind me, we have the marketing office of our project, where we have the model flat and even the miniature ready just for you. And just behind me over here, we'll be coming up with the main entrance. And the land parcel starts from here itself, where the construction work is already started. Well, in this video, we'll be exploring about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So stay tuned until the end to check it out all the details. Now I know you guys must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with project overview via this miniature. Rainbow Uno is spread across 4.21 acres with 2 elegant towers, rising from 2 basement ground and goes up to 20 floors, where you have 3 BHK and 4 BHK luxury apartments with lake view options. Here you can enjoy 85% of open space with just 240 apartments. It means it's a perfectly low density project. Now let's discuss about the location part where our project is located off Vasanpura main road in Maruti Layout, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where I'm standing on the main entrance. So the main entrance of our project will be coming up just on the back end side and this road will take you towards Vasanpura main road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Forum Mall in just 2.2 kilometers from our project, where Komanakunte metro station is also 2.2 kilometers away, and even ISKCON Vaikunta Hills, that is 2.6 kilometers from our project. If I talk about amenities, then our project offers you 60 plus world-class amenities. You get 17,000 square feet of a grand clubhouse with infinity pool overlooking lake view, amphitheater, rechargeable pond, picnic lounge with bonfire, kids play area, working pods, cricket practice net, tree house, have basketball court and many more luxurious amenities. Now are you one of them who is looking to buy a home in Bangalore? Then I have a strong recommendation for you all. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. As many home buyers don't exactly know what their true rights are. For example, if you book a home from a builder by paying a token amount and later on cancel your booking, you're in this situation, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after a possession, there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our video. So before you buy a home, you must watch this video, that is this series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go and check it out. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So here you can choose between 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium homes, where 3 BHK homes start from 1820 and goes up to 2000 square feet super built up area. 4 BHK homes starting from 2144 square feet and goes up to 2270 square feet super built up area with no common walls for privacy and peace, and you get a huge balcony, that is a deck area to relax. Coming to the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail via project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Rainbow Uno, a project developed by Rainbow located in Maruti Layout, South Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.